In asset-intensive industries, it's not just the big machines, but it's often subcomponents that bring operations to a halt. Subcomponent analysis helps you get to the real root causes behind recurring issues and improve supply chain efficiency. But when SAP data is fragmented, root causes stay buried. Without the right tools, it's just a guesswork. Meet Unvired AI Maintenance Genie Agent, your SAP-certified maintenance assistant for SAP Enterprise Asset Management that helps you uncover subcomponent failures and their root causes with powerful AI analytics. Built on SAP Business Technology Platform, it seamlessly integrates with SAP ECC and SAP S/4HANA, and works across iOS, Android, Windows, and web browsers. Genie is available for use both on mobile devices as well as a Fiori web app. Genie uses large language models to analyze historical data across notifications, work orders, purchase requisitions, and invoices. It finds hidden patterns in subcomponent failures and associated costs, giving you the insights you need to improve supplier quality, prevent future breakdowns, and optimize asset reliability. Manager logs into the app, filters notifications by date and type. Log in, apply filters to narrow down notifications, and select an open case. Genie instantly suggests failure modes and subcomponent failures based on the notification details. Accept the suggestions, or modify them as needed. Genie tracks every change, sending feedback to improve future analysis. With Genie, you move from guesswork to data-driven decisions. Want to see Genie in action? Schedule a live demo today.